In this video, I'm going to show you how to get $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 or even more of passive income per month with Bitcoin. How much capital do you need for that? And which strategy to use? I am full-time institutional crypto trader, and my public Ethereum portfolio in 2025 made a total profit of 35%, as Ethereum ended up the year with a loss. So let's go! So let's assume that we would like to generate monthly income, and let's say it should be between $1,000 and $10,000 per month. But for that, we need initial capital. And let's find out how much of initial capital we need to generate this passive income. There are different strategies that can be used to generate passive income. Some of them I use personally and share this on my YouTube channel. And based on my personal experience, I am going to calculate how much of initial capital we need to reach target monthly income of $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 and $10,000. And we will have three different scenarios. The first scenario will have 15% of annual return, the second one 25%, and the third one 35%. And yes, 35% of annual return is very high profitability. And if you think that it's not achievable, that's not true, because very soon I will show you my Ethereum public portfolio that reached this profitability in 2025. So we have three target profitabilities. And now let's find out how much capital we need to get this monthly passive income. And let's start with the first scenario of 15% of annual return. And to generate monthly income of $1,000 per month or $12,000 per year, we need to have a capital of $80,000. For $2,000 per month, we need an initial capital of $160,000. For $3,000 per month, we need initial capital of $240,000. For $5,000, this will be $400,000. And for incredible monthly income of $10,000, we need to have $800,000. Capital of $800,000 is a very high capital. But very soon I will show you a way how to get there step by step. So watch this video until the end, because this can be a game changer for you. But if we increase our annual profitability, the required capital will be smaller. So that's why let's take a look at the annual profitability of 25%. And here we can see a big difference, because for monthly income of $1,000, we don't need anymore $80,000 of initial capital. Instead, $80,000 of initial capital, we need $48,000. And as you can see, this is significantly lower initial capital that we need. And very soon we will take a look at the profitability of 35% per year, and the initial capital will be even lower. But first of all, let's take a look at the monthly income of $2,000 with the same profitability of 25% per year. And in this case, we need to have the capital of almost $100,000. For $3,000 monthly income, we need initial capital of $144,000. For a great $5,000 of passive income per month, we need initial capital of $240,000. And for incredible $10,000 of monthly income, we need a capital of $480,000. And that's a lot of money. But very soon I will show you how to get there with compound interest. But first of all, let's take a look at the last scenario with 35% of annual return. 35% of annual return is very high profitability, but it's really to achieve. For example, my public portfolio in 2025 reached a profitability of 35% in 2025. And this is a passive income that I get by selling the options. And basically I get this passive income for my readiness to buy Bitcoin at a lower price. and also sell Bitcoin at the higher price. And in both scenarios, I get paid for it. And as you can see, this is a great profitability for my readiness to buy Bitcoin at a lower price and sell Bitcoin at a higher price. And many of you ask me, how do I decide whether I sell call or put options? How I choose strike price and maturity of the option, and how I analyze the market environment and volatility before I enter the trade. The truth is, most beginners lose money in crypto options not because the strategy is bad, but because they don't have a structured decision framework. And this is exactly why I created a practical guide to a crypto options. And I spent a lot of time creating it. And this is exactly what I would like to have if I would start today as a junior option trader. In this guide, I share my personal framework that I use to structure the trades. How do I define the market bias? How I analyze the volatility, how I select the strike price and maturity of the option, and how I manage the risk. This practical guide structured in 3 different parts and has a beginner-friendly step-by-step explanations with real examples. After reading it, you will not sell options randomly anymore. You will follow instead a clear, structured process. And if you still have questions, you can contact me directly. My contact details you will find in the guide. And if you would like to learn more about this practical guide, the link you will find in the description below. But now let's come back and find out how much capital do we need with 35% of annual return. So here we can see once again 35% of annual return, and for monthly income of $1,000 we need to have a capital of $34,000. For monthly income of $2,000 we need to have initial balance of almost $69,000. For monthly income of $3,000 we need to have a bit more than $100,000. And for a great $5,000 per month, we need to have a bit more than $171,000. And for a passive income per month of $10,000, we need to have initial capital of a bit more than $340,000. So this is a huge amount of capital that is needed, but it's significantly lower comparing to a 25% of annual return or 15% of annual return. Here we can see that the difference is huge. But let's assume that we reach 25% of annual return and we are getting $1,000 per month. But instead withdrawal $1,000 every month, we reinvest this $1,000 and start use compound interest in our favor. And our capital will grow. So after 1 month, our capital will be $49,000. And after 2 months, our capital will increase to $50,000. And so on each month. And let's take a look at the magic that will happen. So once again, we have 25% of annual return each year. And we started with initial capital of $48,000. So each month we reinvest the interest that we get. And after 5 years, our capital will increase significantly and will be $165,000. And as you can see, this is a crazy increase in capital from $48,000 to $165,000. But that's not the end. If we wait another 5 years, the capital will increase even more significantly and will be more than $560,000. Yes, 10 years is quite a lot of time. But remember 2017, when the price of Bitcoin almost hit $20,000. This was 10 years ago. And by using compound interest in your favor and keeping the profitability of 25%, it's possible to increase initial capital of $48,000 to almost more than $500,000. If we start with initial balance of $96,000, after 5 years with 25% of annual return, we can get to $330,000. And after 10 years, the capital will increase and will be more than $1,100,000. And as you can see, this is a 10x profit in 10 years. And also the same magic happens with initial balance of $144,000, which will increase to almost $500,000 in the 5 years and became $1,700,000 after 10 years. And the same incredible increase we can see with $240,000 of initial capital and $480,000 of initial capital. But the most interesting part is take a look at the monthly income after 5 years or after 10 years. So here you can see the same table with initial capital of $48,000 that becomes after 5 years into $165,000, and in this case this capital of $165,000 with annual return of 25% could generate a monthly income of $3,440, which is an incredible sum. But if you wait another 5 years, and this capital will generate more than $11,000 per month, which is a very high monthly income all over the world. And here you can see also a monthly income for initial capital of $96,000 after 5 years and after 10 years. And as initial capital increases, monthly income became even more and more. And as you can see, for example, with initial capital of $240,000, after 5 years, the monthly income will be more than $70,000. And after 10 years will be almost $60,000 per month. And this is incredible force of compound interest. And crypto options can help to generate this consistent passive income. And together with compound interest, it could create a huge potential. And if you would like to discover this potential for yourself, you can watch my next video here. See you in the next video. Bye.